Today I'm going to show you some of the new features which Apple has recently released in its new iOS version, which is iOS 9. So iOS 9 is compatible with the following devices: iPhone 4S onwards, iPad 2nd generation onwards, and iPod Touch 5th generation onwards.
As you can see, this iPad has already been updated to iOS version 9.0.1, which is the latest version of iOS. Apple has included a whole new set of wallpapers in this version, which looks very nice and beautiful.
Now let's talk about Siri. So now we have, let's just enable Siri. Yep, enable. So now we have to train the Siri according to our own voice. Yes, we want to set up Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. Oops. Hey Siri, it's me. Okay, so now we are done setting up the Siri. So now let's see it. Using Siri requires the device to be connected it to a power source unless it is an iPhone 6s or 6s Plus. So now let's see. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? It's taking long.
Okay, the temperature today will range between 21 degrees and 34 degrees.
Now let's take a look at Siri suggestions. Here we get the list of our most frequently contacted contacts. We can call them, FaceTime them, iMessage, or view their information. And we also get a list of our most frequently used applications.
Siri is also available via a swipe down gesture.
Apple has added a new feature. When switching between apps, we can see a back to application tab from which I can return back to the previous app which I was using. This may come handy when switching between applications. We can swipe in from the right edge and peek and another app. So I can browse my tweets or check another application. Let's first say Game Center. Okay, it's not loading. Or if I want to, just wait a second. If I want to note something, I can just choose the notes application and just type in the thing which I actually want to type, and I'm basically done with taking a note. User interface of podcast application has also been modified. We can now see videos in picture and picture mode. which allows us to view our video while we can use any other application we wish to use. So for example, if I open Safari, I have a video playing in picture-on-picture mode, and when I swipe from the right edge, I can use, for example, Twitter. So basically, I have 3 applications open.
And if you want, we can return back to the full screen mode.
Now we get a revamped app launcher, which is a lot better than the previous versions in my opinion. Let us now look at the Notes application. One of the major improvements that Apple has done in its keyboard is now we can see in which case we are typing, whether it's lowercase or uppercase, which is extremely useful. As I told you before, we can now see in which case we are typing, whether it's lower or uppercase. We can now insert any picture directly from the Notes application. For example, I take a picture, use this photo, and I am basically done with it. So now we can doodle in the Notes app itself, draw it, erase. We have a lot of options available. For example, Kamal. I can write it with the pencil tool. I have a ruler which helps to draw straight lines if someone is drawing very accurate diagrams of something. You can see straight lines. Actually, my drawing is positive. As you can see, we have a lot of color options available. Okay, now let's have a look at the settings application. We can now search directly into the settings application. Now we don't have to look here and there in that a long list. For example, if I take Twitter, I just search for it and I'm done with it. I get that particular setting. In battery, I can see battery percentage in that status bar. Now we get a detailed description of how much battery is used by which application in the past 24 hours as well as last 7 days. More detailed view is also shown. While setting a password, now we can set a custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, or 6-digit numeric code. 6 digits, let's say a simple password, as you can see. And from now on we can use 6-digit password if you want more security. Add the notifications panel. On the left side we have our today information, and on the right side we have our widgets and notifications. If we go to settings, we can actually change how the notifications appear. We can group all the notifications by applications also. As you can see by YouTube, Alsat 8 official, F1 and so on. Also, I want to tell you some features which iOS 9 has, but I was not able to demonstrate it to you because it is not available in my region, which is India. So in the series suggestions, we can find nearby restaurants, hotels, and things like that, and we have a glimpse of the daily news, and we have true multitasking on iPad Air and iPad Mini as split windows, and we can interact with both of them. Apple News has also been introduced in US, but it is not available in India.
So that's all for this video. And if I make more videos, then I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you.